how I made $8,350 in 5 days with affiliate marketing using TikTok. And this was all free organic traffic. Yes, that's right. As you can see over here, over 10,000 euros actually with pending commissions. But how? Why free traffic? Because I have a special strategy, which is this. You can see over here. 1 week I'm running ads on TikTok. The next week I'm not running any ads. Why? As you can see, in 2025 it's all about engagement ads, traffic ads. What do I mean by that? It means people hate to be sold, especially on native platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, right? People don't like to be sold, but they like to buy, right? Me too. I don't like to be sold, but I like to buy many different weight loss supplements, fitness products, travel packages, whatever, right? But let me show you exactly how this works with everyday 24/7 products, okay? That people are buying every single day online. You can see I had 5,000 likes. In 1 week, of course, 418 comments. What I did is in my comments, when people are leaving positive reviews, as we're going to see later, I just post my, for example, ClickBank affiliate link with my quiz funnel, with my landing page, and the people buy. You will see why later. But as you can see, 53,000 views in 1 week, right? And now how this works. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram over here, my Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp number. Okay? I traveled to over 63 countries thanks to affiliate marketing. Okay? I'm a super affiliate. I promote products. I make money online, working 30 minutes to 1 hour a day. And you can see over here, right? I'm traveling all around the world thanks to affiliate marketing. Now you can do the same. But let me show you exactly how this works actually in practice. Let me go over here, okay? So you can see on TikTok, people are leaving comments as this, right? Your skin is so another level. I'm using models, I'm using UGC kind of videos, right? And you can see how to find this product. I'm in Paris. Over 1,000 people like this comment. You can see this comment. I can confirm this does wonders for acne scars. It tells us people love that video. They love the content. They're sharing it with their friends and family. So do you think if 1,000 people like this comment of only one person, that someone is going to buy $100 or $250 weight loss supplement or acne scar cream for $30 or $50? Of course. Of course. Especially countries like US, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, Switzerland, Germany. People have money. People are spending money on products they want. Okay? Now the best thing is that one person is going to buy the whole funnel. What do I mean by that? If you have the right message to the market match, if you understand high emotional states, low emotional states audiences, females and males, copywriting is different, language patterns are different that you're using in your ad copy, okay? I know many gurus don't share this secret with you for free. I'm giving you $1,000, almost $2,000 worth of info for free here. The wisdom, the knowledge that you can use to apply for your skill set with affiliate marketing. Now you can see over here, right? If you only make one sale per week for $500, let's say a front end product is $50 for ebook or a course, and then on the back end you have a bundle for weight loss supplement, which can cost up to, I don't know, $250. And let's say that on ClickBank you can make a deal to get CPA commissions or some private networks out there, meaning if someone buy a $97 weight loss supplement, you, my friend, you are going to get $190 commission. $190 affiliate profit for you. When someone spent $97 on a weight loss supplement. Why? Because those companies know on the back end they're going to earn much more. These people will stick. Like casinos, for example. People know the house always win. So they will give you upfront higher commissions. So you can see how this works. If you want to make $10,000 or $20,000 per month, right? Now we connect over the Zoom calls. I'm not selling any courses. I'm usually working only one-on-one when I'm helping people, when I have time. One-on-one personally over the Zoom calls. And you can see, okay, this is possible. I'm traveled, as I said before, to over 63 countries. Stay in 5-star resorts, business class, first class tickets. Why? Because I can afford it. And this life is also possible for you once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way in 2025. Okay? So all you need to do is you need to have a laptop or PC computer at home, Wi-Fi connection, and at least 30 minutes per day. Let's be honest. If you don't have 30 minutes for yourself every other day, then I don't know what you're doing. because it's possible. If you can do it, if you can follow simple step-by-step over the Zoom call, templates, then it's possible for you. And I think it's worth it, right? Because otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. I know you're smart. Otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. And I know it's not your fault. Maybe you have tried to make money online with affiliate marketing. You failed. You lost money on ads, on courses. And I understand why. Because I used to be there as well many years ago. And I know that courses are mostly outdated. You need personal relationship with human, one-on-one, to get results, to get some advantage, to get the edge in the life, right? Same thing with, I don't know, like I train judo, I train Thai boxing, right? MMA. I understand. I need coach, I need personal mentor. I will not be able to learn boxing or judo from YouTube videos for free. No, I need someone who can help me one-on-one. Of course. Same thing with affiliate marketing. If you want to fast forward yourself and get faster results. And the best part thing, this is not network marketing, this is not MLM, this is not pyramid scheme. You don't have to show your face on camera. Okay, this is faceless channel. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to pitch your friends and family. So no one of your family or friends doesn't have to know what you're promoting, what you're selling online, if that's your goal, of course. But we are always encouraging you to promote high quality products online that people love, right? So if you're ready to make $500 per day, at least, or more, with TikTok or Google ads or Facebook ads or even YouTube ads with ClickBank, let me know. Connect with me one-on-one. In the description below is my WhatsApp number, my Messenger, my Instagram, right? You can reach out to me. So you can also have these kind of results. You can see it's all about time freedom, to be traveling around the world, having fun, spending more time with your friends and family. That's what actually matters in life, right? And as Richard Branson said, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure that you can do it, say yes now and then learn how to do it later. Now here you don't have to learn. It's all done for you and done together with you, so you can actually scale and get really great results. But as long as you're serious, as long as you truly want to have these kind of results, as you can see over here, right? Traveling around the world, having fun, because it is possible once you take this seriously. And as you can see, we connect over the Zoom call 3 to 2 times per week. We get it done together. It's done for your website, ad copy, templates, to know exactly the behind the curtain, you know. You need to have the right message to the market match, okay? Because if you're selling pork steak to Muslim in Saudi Arabia or Egypt, they won't buy for you. Even if you offer them $10,000, they will not eat that steak. Why? Because message is wrong. They are not the right audience. Same thing with affiliate marketing. Maybe you lost money because you didn't know exactly how to do it and how to apply this correctly. Because once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you along the way, then, my friend, you'll be able to fast-forward yourself into the future and have much more better results. And you can imagine yourself waking up in the morning, checking your phone and see, oh, another $500 day. And it's possible, it's doable. But as long as you are serious, as long as you're not making excuses, and as long as you're not procrastinating. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.